What's up, YouTube? Your boy Benji back with another video. Know I've been going for a little minute. Hey, man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. As y'all can already see, I done figured some stuff out, my boy. Like on the real, on the real. I'm gonna go ahead to the 4 hour. So I actually start on a daily. I'm gonna just explain it out like this from basically on my that I found today on gold. I'm saying that's the only thing I really like trading. I'm being honest. And this, just was, although I probably should have did this own demo. I did it on live just to did it with a little bit. All right. Not saying a little small risk. So I still wanted to lock in on the profit of it because I was that confident in it. But as we see here, after acknowledging the daily bias of where prices are going, I identified the liquidity sweep, the order block on the 4 hour time frame. I dropped down to the 1 hour time frame. I identified the imbalance after the run up out of the order block zone. So, in that all of that what I just explained, I didn't catch none of that. Yeah, it's cool. But I used the equilibrium at a low of, not saying a low, 33.64. That's as we got here. And it was basically the price came under that 0.5 zone, and I used the equilibrium to take my entry. So now that where the smart money at, that where them orders get filled at. So my entry was at 33.87 as listed. Put in a lot for 0.01 because I was just doing a small risk, and set my SL at 33.54. Take profit 34.10. Successful trade setup. So I'm gonna scroll up on it just to show you the breakdown. What I saw. I'm gonna go to the chart. We're gonna look at this live. Not saying my price moving. Get into it. Let me move around, my boy. So, understanding this strategy, like, honestly, it's confluences that I'm using to make my entries, take my trades, and it's working. So, with that, definitely going to be grateful. As you see, our daily bias, we had a liquidity sweep here as marked out. And yeah, that was our switching our trend. So of course we go down, break down, or down to 4 hour time frame. All right. Got a liquidity sweep. And of course, this candlestick right here broke that high. So then that's when we had our, basically our shift in our direction. So price then went from a downtrend to a uptrend. And I'm like, okay, I see that this order block was respected. Price came down into it. And of course, we dropped down again to the 1 hour. We had this candle take out this high. So in that case, we was like, all right, boom. Still going up. That's a continuation, out of that zone to the upside. After we first acknowledged that price shifted to uptrend back here, we had to wait for this move to happen. If you did catch it, you had to wait for this move to happen. And it did. So, and again, we had price shoot up once again. Caused the imbalance. Price came into this imbalance zone. Right back out of it. So just dropping down. Me personally, I wouldn't have taken this trade off the 15-minute. No, although this candle took out this high, you probably still would have gained a few pips up in here. Just say little 15 to 20. Okay, cool, not bad. But drop down. Let's see, we drop down to a 5-minute. When it came out, did it come out? I'm saying for a better setup. Nah. So yeah, this is me personally. Like, yeah, take it up here. You could have taken it down here as well when this got taken out, but nah, I wouldn't really too much bother that in a sense. But people find the reasons to take an earlier entry on things. So no judgment there. But when it come to this zone right here, where I initially found my entry after this imbalance, and I identified these lows because if we use the equilibrium the right way, of course, from this low to here, look what happened. Price tapped. Price literally just tapped under this 0.5 area and rejected twice. You could have caught this entry, stop loss here. Could have caught this entry, stop loss here. Price had a run up. So take that off. Oh. And this is where mines came in at. So I identified these lows. Set the top up here. As we see, price came under that 0.5 area. 3 taps, kept rejecting. So I ended up taking my entry 87. Well, my bad. Yeah, so just looking for the exact is what it was. So it was 87.21 that I initially took it. So I'll say like right up in here. That ugly. Hold on. Like, just why you don't just use it? Yeah, my bad. So I thought I kind of caught it a few seconds late, so I was like, yeah, all right, cool. But initially caught it up in here, and voila, you know, uh, I ain't even got to pull out the ruler for real because I already got it marked up. We had a 1.7 win ratio on that one. Price definitely moved as expected from entry. 34.10. Nice 22 pips. So I was like, boy, this popping out like this. And we do this on every, I'm saying, at the final on majority of setups. This is not gonna come out like this all the time. This was a perfect setup, however. But just noticing that it changed the whole game for me. A lot of you not. Even if I took this from these lows to this high, price came and dabbled under that 0.5 zone, and voila, bang to the upside. Like, this is proven. This is proven. So it's time, my boy. It's time. And then I just noticed. My apologies. I just noticed. I said I took these ones. Nah, it was this trade that I took. My apologies, because this was basically yesterday. Yeah, this is where we at right now. My bad. So this was like 2 o'clock this morning, I believe. Oh well, hold on, I can tell you the exact time it was. I took it. I think I got into this trade like 11 o'clock last night. Yeah, so at say entry price, same 501. I didn't get in that at 5 o'clock. That was 5. I think that was 5 in the morning. 5 in the morning. Nah. I'm a little off right now. Don't bother me. I ain't had no coffee or nothing this morning. No. Hey, it's just wake up, pray. Let me get on these charts, and this whole move came out for me. But this was my entry right here in this 387 zone, and it flew. If you go and look on my TikTok, I'm gonna posted this on my story as well, so you can see where I took the entry. You'd be like, okay, cool. He was right. He was yeah. So we took this move right here. My bad. Still for the 23 pips. And my stop loss was set. That's it. 33.56. I think it was. Hello. 33.54, yeah. That was a safe, which wasn't too bright of me. A lot of you not. I don't even think I set it for that, if I'm being honest. I think I was looking at something totally. Yeah, because I was looking at this right here. All right, boom, boom, boom. That's why. So no, so realistically, it's 33.73 for my stop loss. I'm glad I went over that. My bad, guys. No, I'm not capped. 87 to 73. Yeah, there we go. And boom, of course, yeah, 1.8 risk reward ratio. So 12 pip stop loss, kind of tight, but I had that like I said, I had that confidence in it. As we see, price didn't even come near it, so that was golden. That was a golden setup, and I'm definitely going to be taking more trades like this. When it comes to it, like right now, like I wouldn't even be trading for it tomorrow. It's Friday, in the week, but we'll be back. Definitely be back. But this already looking like it trying to perform this. Yeah, I'm seeing a liquidity sweep, man. Liquidity sweep. We get an order block. Now I'm talking too much. We go order block and go back down in these zones because really to me it look like gold is in a range. And it ranges a lot, but this could be just did I have my drawings? Can't have my drawings. Yeah. All right, cool. Oh yeah, I can. So as look like you want to break out of this range. So if price do break out of this range, of course we'll be looking, you know, previous areas of liquidity coming back up here. 1, 2, 3. So we probably going to end up breaking out about 3,500 if it breaks out of the zone. If not, primary zone just a little bit more. Range for my bad, range a little bit more, and get to find some more entries up in there. But let's go. She's a bad bitch. But I appreciate y'all for tuning in, watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you all for my viewers for tuning in. And I said, join your boy in the Patreon. We're gonna get to it. And I want to do like these breakdowns, for a community to where not just I'm the only person who eat. Like it be for everybody. And I don't want to just go over trades. I want to go over, helping you develop a mentality, a faithful mentality, putting God first in everything that you do. Because at the end of the day, I can't do none of this without him. So, thank y'all. Tuning in. Your boy Benji is out.